But we're going to see if we can make our own instead of buying one. So really, can we make our own? And so we set out to do just that. Kind of a look of how we did it. It's really simple. It's not that complicated. You spray paint the umbrella with silver or / chrome metallic spray paint. It's very straightforward, but still, it's really cool. So you can also make one yourself.
I totally agree with you. It doesn't have to be perfect to be meaningful. And I love how we've made this umbrella project a collaborative and enjoyable experience.
We started by getting a umbrella. Got it for $2 at Goodwill, so super cheap, and it's a nice one. It even extends and then will auto close itself, which is super cool. For our spray paint, we decided to go with some Rust-Oleum metallic, silver, bright, shiny finish. It's like $3 or $4. And then for the lamp, we went for, it was a cheap LED USB one, so you'll just be able to plug it into any USB. It can run off of a battery pack, so super cool, very versatile.
And don't forget to add a dash of creativity and a pinch of love, because that's what makes our projects truly shine.
So we went ahead and took it outside, because honestly, doing spray paint inside, it just stinks really bad. I don't think it's good for your health. It gives me a headache. So we went outside. It's a little dark, and it just so happens that the first coat, it didn't record. We didn't have it recording for some reason at the time, and so we kind of just did a little bit of second coat, just kind of, added in a little bit to give you guys a good look at it.
A few moments later.
And then we also took one where we did the second coat, and this was a very much better shot and really shows the reflectiveness.
I'm so glad we took it outside. It makes a big difference. And I love how the second coat turned out. It looks really cool.
And it actually does a really good job, which is super cool. And then do a couple more coats, maybe like 4 or 5 coats of it. It will be really reflective. And be really good. Also maybe getting a bigger umbrella, who knows. This one, we did not use primer on it, which may actually make it more reflective. We did a total of 3 coats onto the onto the umbrella. So mounting it is, not really, we don't really have that fully figured out right now. We're just kind of using our green screen stand, it works. It works, and it gives a gentle light, and so more of like a sunlight. Like if we had, essentially giving the vibe of like, a sunlight. We're gonna be doing a part 2. Where we do a version where we make our own stand for it. We're going to use a mic stand and then make that the mount for it. And then we're also going to do a primer, try one by doing a primer and see how much more reflective it is. Doing a little research after we've made it and we're editing and putting the video together, apparently a lot of them are white / translucent, and it seems like silver with the black seems to be a little bit rarer, at least in the top 50 on Amazon.
was thinking we could say something like, thanks for joining us on this journey. We're so grateful for your support. I love how we can share our creativity and love with each other and with everyone watching.
We'll be making more consistently crafting videos, and we've got some in the works that are going to be really, really cool.